Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen upgrades with a review of the Moen Align 5923EWSRS Spot Resist Motion Sense Wave Sensor Touchless Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. If you're looking to enhance both the functionality and style of your kitchen, you're in the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tips. Now, let's get into it. The Moen Align Spring Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet delivers quality performance. This kitchen faucet offers plenty of clearance for taller pots and pans, extends your reach in and around the sink, and provides 2 spray options to make everyday cleaning jobs easier. Featuring single sensor touchless activation, Motion Sense Wave allows you to easily turn water on and off with the wave of a hand. No need to touch the faucet with dirty or wet hands. Installation is quick and easy with the Duralock Quick Connect system, and the faucet can be mounted on either a sink or countertop. Moen Align 5923EWSRS Spot Resist Motion Sense Wave Sensor Touchless Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet offers several specific features that make it a popular choice. 1 sensor, Motion Sense Wave features single sensor touchless activation, allowing you to easily turn water on and off with the wave of a hand. Easy to install, the kitchen sink faucet features Duralock Quick Connect system for easy installation. Power Clean spray technology provides 50% more spray power versus most of our pull-down and pull-out faucets without the Power Clean technology. High arc design. High arc spout provides height and reach to fill or clean large pots, while pull-out one provides ample maneuverability. Spot resistant. Spot resists stainless finish, resists fingerprints and water spots for a cleaner looking kitchen. Reach. The touchless kitchen faucet offers 3 times more reach when compared to most residential spring faucets. Here are some potential pros and cons of the Moen Align 5923EWSRS Spot Resist Motion Sense Wave Sensor Touchless Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. Pros: touchless operation, wave sensor technology, spot resist finish, pull-down sprayer, modern design. Cons: power requirements, compatibility issues. Overall, the Moen Align 5923EWSRS offers a range of features that can enhance convenience and hygiene in the kitchen. However, it's important to weigh the potential downsides, such as sensor sensitivity and additional costs, to determine if this faucet aligns with your needs and budget. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video review of the Moen Align 5923EWSRS Spot Resist Motion Sense Wave Sensor Touchless Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement videos.